Welcome to the world of advanced cleaning with the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This flagship robot vacuum boasts high suction power, intelligent navigation, and mopping capabilities. Coupled with a sleek design and a user-friendly app, it's a game changer. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these features. First off, let's talk about power. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra packs a punch. This machine boasts an impressive high suction power, making dust and debris virtually vanish before your eyes. It employs a multi-level cleaning system that leaves no stone unturned, or rather no dust particle untouched. And what's even smarter, it adjusts its suction power depending on the floor type it's dealing with. Hardwood, carpet, tile, it's got it all covered. With the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, no dirt stands a chance. Next up, let's explore the mind of this cleaning genius. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is equipped with an advanced LiDAR navigation system. Imagine a cartographer meticulously mapping out a new world. That's what this vacuum does to your home. It scans every nook and cranny, creating a detailed map of your living space. Once it has the lay of the land, it plans the most efficient cleaning routes, ensuring every inch gets the attention it deserves. But that's not all. This robot is smart enough to recognize obstacles and deftly avoid them. It's like having a tiny, tireless butler tidying up your house. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is not just a vacuum, it's a smart navigational wizard. Now let's dive into its mopping capabilities and the control you have right at your fingertips. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra's mopping feature is no less than a marvel. It can adjust the water flow based on the type of floor it's cleaning, ensuring an optimal clean every time. It's also incredibly effective at removing stubborn stains. But the real game changer here is the user-friendly app. This digital companion allows you to schedule cleans, set no-go zones, and even track the robot in real time. It's like having your own personal cleaning manager at your service. The combination of the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and the app creates a cleaning experience like no other. So, are you ready to take your home cleaning to a whole new level? With Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, expect convenience and efficiency like never before. Remember its powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and user-friendly app? Don't wait. Elevate your cleaning game today. Check out the link in the description to get your Roborock S8 Pro Ultra now.